You sure did.
Look at this, Thomas.
It's a birdhouse.
No, it's not a birdhouse. It's a Santa Claus puzzle.
Thomas.
No present. It's a present.
Oh. Are you going to open another one?
Yeah.
Santa Claus.
Mama, why don't you let him open it and you take pictures?
Okay.
Whoa.
What is it, Thomas? Are you going to open it?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a...
Is it a green?
Yeah.
To Daddy later how to play.
How to play that?
Still have.
Oh, it's a top.
There's a box next year can use.
All of these. No, wait. Wait, no.
Oh,
You need to put two here.
that's a Christmas tree ornament.
Yeah. No, let's go the way.
You should put it at the top.
Remember, he's not so tall.
This can be see.
Oh, what's that, Thomas?
Look,
What is that?
Mommy.
Wow. Whoa, that's cool.
Mama, you give me one candy cane, please. What is that, Thomas?
It's a...
It's candy.
Yeah.
Thomas, open this. See what's that.